Well, guys, so today we'll just be, I hope you will just be enjoying your good health. And you know what, that's be such a nice and amazing day. So today I'm just not be showing my face because I'm just be sharing my skincare with you and all people what my skincare secrets and products. So recently this week I'm just be sharing my skincare product. um, I make video, on one product. So, and I'm just be explain to you what is the benefit of a day cream and why I'm just be using this. So today I'm just be sharing to you. Okay, so I'm just be on this YouTube channel make a video about skincare ingredients. So if you're interested in this line, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Okay, so we have to start with topic now. So basically that's we a lot of a name of a retin A cream, skin A cream, adapalene, isotretinoin cream. So you'll just be see formulation of this one. I'm just be showing to you. Wait a minute. Tretinoin cream 0.05% for the treatment of acne. So basically, what is the benefit of this cream? This cream will be contain vitamin A, so that's we a stronger prescription based vitamin A. And tretinoin cream, so this will be famous for to reduce your acne and available in market some another name. That's we retin A, retinoic acid, tretinoin cream, isotretinoin, adapalene. Basically the adapalene is a second generation. So the first one is tretinoin. Tretinoin is the first generation, and that's be a lot of a benefit, but a lot of a side effects. So, but overall, that's be such an amazing cream. And for me, this one it will be also that's be basically a tretinoin is a source of a vitamin A. So this will be reduce your oil production and sebum, open pores, and it will be reduce your dark spot, hyperpigmentation and redness and a fine line wrinkle, dark circle. This basically increase your salt and ever. And a lot of dermatologists will be worldwide using a tretinoin cream prescription based, taken a pea size amount and apply this at night time. And be assured when you will just be using a tretinoin based cream, so you will just be apply this one, you will just be going to bed. So because this will be a so well work when you will just be go to bed, and then you will just be use. So that's me. I'm just be especially I'm just be facing a lot of blackheads, whitehead when I'm just be starting a tretinoin cream. So my blackheads and whitehead will be reduced because that's we are prescription based stronger vitamin A, and my acne will be totally gone. The cleanser I am just be explain on my channel where which will be a best and why I am just we love this cleanser pond. The first I'm just be washing my face with a cleanser, and then just be taken a pea size amount. The dermatologist will be prescribe you, you'll just be taken a pea size amount, and then you'll just be apply this um, on your face and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll just be apply moisturizer, because this cream will be make your skin so dry. So be assured you will just be apply moisturizer after using this. And when you will just not be applying moisturizer, your skin will be feel dry, and this will be producing too much more oil. So this will be reduce your open pores, it will be make your skin and cell rate turnover faster. That's mean your cell will be increasing, and uh, you know what, your skin new skin cell life will be increasing, and your dead skin cells will be um, stuck off. So another thing I'm just be saying, in the morning I'm just be using a vitamin C base of product, so this will be best for fine line wrinkles. So you'll just be also start a tretinoin cream at earlier age, because when you'll just be starting a tretinoin at earlier age, so you will just be can't be face any wrinkle, any fine line wrinkle. So that's we a lot of a benefit. So that's we are dupe of the ordinary retinoid product, and I'm just we personally love this product, and I'm just with a big fan of this retinoid cream, because it will be a dermatologist approved and worldwide, and that's be a dermatologist approved skincare. Okay.